Hi, it's Todd from Todd Cutler here, and I have got this early 16th century German rondel. But it's not just any old rondel. This one has got a lovely triangular blade on it. It's the first one we've done, probably won't be the last. So you have a triangular blade, very classically German, running from about 1490 through to about 1540, something like that. Very Landsknecht era. Then you have the guard here with a little turn down on it. That places it more into the early 16th century. But then you have a lovely grip here with a little bit of grooving, a little bit of fluting on it, hollow pommel at the top, and a lovely peen washer as well. So this piece is loosely based on one in the Wallace collection that I studied and have made reproductions of. But this one is the Todd Cutler version, and it is absolutely lovely. Comes with a leather sheath, of course, and a lovely brass chape on the end of it. And that is suspended off thongs. What a piece it is. So you're going to look fantastic wearing this in your Landsknecht gear, or anything from about 1500 through to about 1550. What a knife. Or maybe you just want it because it's got a triangular blade. Reason enough, I guess. See you again.